Today I'm going to show you how to install your wall adapter kit to your wall mount fixed shower. As you can see, I already have my hard water filter on. If you don't have this, you can simply just attach the wall adapter kit to the shower arm directly. Let's get started. To start, grab your adapter and your thread tape. As you can see, I've already added my thread tape to my wall adapter as well as my hard water filter. Doing this just ensures that there's a tight seal and that there's no leakage. So once you've done this, you can go ahead and attach your wall adapter directly to your hard water filter. And make sure that there is a tight seal so that there's no leakage. All right, once you've done that, grab your shower hose. Attach this end to your wall adapter. Okay, now we can get our handheld shower head and attach it to your hose. So let's turn this on and see how it works. And there you have it. Your wall adapter kit is now in place and ready for you to use. You have now turned your wall shower into a multifunctional wall and handheld enabled shower. Enjoy your new shower experience.